Good morning. How are you? Today is another day where we're going to have a meeting with Coach Fleming for your instructional design, but we're going to talk about a different topic today. I'm really going to gear myself towards my math professors, math educators, math teachers. Now, whether you're adjunct or full professor, this will help you completely whenever it comes to doing your subject, your discipline inside of Canvas. How many of you have ever asked yourself, I wish I could put some equations inside of Canvas and they have to solve it and work on it? Anybody? I can't because I'm the English teacher, but my colleague, my teammate, she has done this many times. And so one day we were playing around and we were looking at some things. We were just like, oh my gosh, you really can do it. And I was like, oh, wow, I didn't know that. So my goal today is to show you exactly how you can do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you a quick video on how you can put math problems and equations in Canvas. So what you're going to do, you're going to go, let's say you're in your normal screen and you have all your tools on the side. You're going to go to modules and you're going to scroll down. So this module I have for everyone is entitled Math Equations. So let's say you go right here. You go to page, create page, math equations. Type that in, add the item. Before you publish it, click on it, click edit. You will go in here, you go to where it says insert. And you scroll down, you will see dun, da, 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 equations. That's what we want. So if you go in here, it gives you all the various examples of things you can use to build your math equation. So if you want to do pi, if you want to do the square root, if you want to do the sum of things, you want to do plus minus, you have all the ways of inputting your math equation into the Canvas. So let's say you want to do 12 times 4. Go up here, click times 4 equals. And all you have to do is your student will be able to see it once you publish it. Hit enter. There's the first one. When you put that in there, you can insert the equation and they will know they have to solve it. So if you want to do like some remedial stuff or give some basic simple problems, all you have to do is type that in and it will go. So let's go back and do 12 times 4 like we had. Go put our equal sign in. We scroll down, insert equation. The equation is right there. And once you hit save, there's the equation. Now, it looks very simple for right now. You could continue doing that. So if you tab down and want to put another one, insert again, equation. Let's say you want to do, let's say 2,500. We want to be big time, divided by 50 equals. Scroll down, insert equation. There it is. And then you hit save. Voila, dun, da, da, da. You now have your equations inside. You see how simple Canvas is? Do you see how friendly it is? You could take any discipline, anything that you're doing, and equate it into Canvas. And it will be so much easier for your students. There goes the paper, there goes the struggle, there go those Scantrons, they're all gone. And if you want them to send it via Google Docs, or you want them to type it into a text box, or just submit the answer so you don't have to write the paper out, there it is. Goodbye textbooks, goodbye all that. It's a quick, simple way of putting your equations into Canvas. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And that is all you have to do when it comes to doing a math equation in Canvas. You just have to insert. So simple. Go to create, page, insert, type, submit, done. Okay. All right. This has been Coach Fleming. It's good to see you all. I will see you again soon with another nugget on instructional design.